Okay, good morning, guys. This is West Empire speaking. So, before we start what we have today, do well to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. If you have questions, you can ask on the comment section. So, this is a very simple way to send money using Chipper Cash to almost every part of Africa. So, I know Chipper Cash is in the major countries in Africa: Uganda, Ghana, Nigeria. There are many countries. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to fund your account, how to get your dollar account, and also how to send money to any part of Africa that Chipper Cash is available at. So to fund the account is very simple. Click on wallet. You will see an account number here. Any account number that you see there, send money from your native bank account, in your country. I'm currently in Nigeria. So any bank account that you're using in your country, send money from there to this account number. Automatically your Chipper Cash account will be funded immediately. It will be funded immediately. So that's how to fund your account. Now, to send money to somebody, anybody, click on send. Okay. Now, someone asked me a question: if you can send money to someone outside your country, outside your own country. I said, okay, yeah, you can send money to someone outside the country. Now, let me get another country. This is actually for Nigerians. You can see the flag under the name. Let me get another country. I've seen Ghana. So now, if I put the amount in my native currency, which is actually naira, if I put like 10,000 naira, it will give me 132.70 cedis, Ghana cedis. So now I'll just click send. If I click send, it will be sent to the person. Now you have to put a little note on what the money will be used for, or maybe for movie or something like that. Just put it and click on send. It will go. You will put your pin and then complete the transactions. The next one is how to get a dollar account. In case you want to purchase something online, maybe from eBay or something, you want to purchase something online, you can click on card. This is my Naira card. I haven't actually claimed my Naira card because I have many ATMs, so I don't want to disturb myself. What I needed was USD, so I have a USD card. Now, this is my USD card. I can use it to buy anything online. So to fund this account, make sure that you already have money in your main Chipper Cash balance. So once you have money there, just click on add fund and put the amount. The amount will be deducted from your main Chipper Cash account, and then your dollar account will be funded. So that is how it is being done. It's like very simple as ABCD. So I hope this video helps. I really hope it helps you, and do well to subscribe. Don't forget, so you can also know when I post new videos. Turn on the notification button, and make sure you ask questions in case you don't understand, so that you don't do mistakes. So thank you very much. West Empire Cares. Take care of yourself.